Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Pengy Show. And today, you may realize that I am not in my bedroom like I usually am. And that is because I am actually going camping today. This right here is a tree. You do not see many of these in my videos. Hello, Pooch. Are you here to camp too?
Hey.
I am just gonna leave him alone. As you can see, this is my bed for the next night, I guess. This bed is actually surprisingly comfy. I am gonna be sleeping here tonight. Oh heck yeah, we have Uno. I'm so gonna kick Pooch's butt in this. Is there water down there? I'm gonna go down to that lake. Get to the water! Get to the water! This is a very big lake. Too bad that I cannot go swimming in it. There was a boat out there. Hello, Parker. What are you doing? Go.
I'm just watching the water.
Interesting. How about you, Pooch?
I just came here to drink the lake.
Ready?
Typical.